Hello and welcome to another video. This one will be very short because, well, when it rains here, it doesn't rain much. So this clip is from the morning of the rain. You can see some dark clouds in the distance, which is quite a rare sight in the UAE, or I should perhaps say in Abu Dhabi or Dubai for that matter. Obviously, there are mountain regions where the climate is slightly different. Anyway, I filmed this particular clip as soon as the rain started. You can see there's still some blue sky visible between the clouds, and this amount of rain is quite a lot. Normally, it only drizzles, and it's so short that I often realize it rained after the fact. One time, I was driving, a few droplets fell on my windshield, and that was it. It was like we drove under the cloud, and as soon as we passed it, sun came out. What you're seeing right now, that intensity lasted for about 5 minutes, maximum 6 or 7. And then shortly after, I tried recording the same area just to show how quickly all the water disappears. Of course, the pavement tends to stay moist due to humidity, but overall, the sun came out like a few minutes after it stopped raining, and everything was back to normal pretty quickly. Hope you liked this little weather report. See you in the next video.